think there is a bit of a dislocation, however, in single family versus multifamily, which is interesting. I don't know if we've talked much about this, but there is.
No, I don't think we've talked about it on this pod at least. I'm
Yeah.
curious to know where you're going with
Well, I'm talking about the scarcity premium because there's so few single family deals on the market that prices are basically
this.
being
Regionally, though, some places are really stacking up. Like it's a slight misnomer in some locations. Like there's some places in Florida right now they're going crazy because I think they've gotten a lot of appreciation when rates were really low, and then the prices are high. Well, now these prices have increased. They can't afford the insurance costs and they can't afford the property taxes now. And like property
so our
taxes,
prices going down then.
well, people need to sell. So if there's more houses and more
Okay, so
units
it's
on the market,
capitulation.
the prices will be drove
Yes.
down, right, via options. But it's a real residential real estate is all submarket dependent.
Of course.
More so, I would say, than in most sectors.
Well, it's more so because it's not most of the time the end user is not a financial buyer, right? They are buying a financial instrument, they're buying an asset, but
technically,
they're buying to live.
Cuspy,
yeah, but they're buying to live in it, right? So they're buying it for non-financial.
It's a liability
reasons.
that can appreciate.
Of course, definitely. So that's why it is more submarket specific because at the end of the day, when it comes to multifamily, for example, the end user is just looking for cash flow. It's just a financial instrument. So yes, we as operators, we care about the location and we care if it's in our portfolio and where it is relative to our assets and to our people. But if you're just sitting back and just passively investing, it's like you don't care about the location, you don't care about anything. All you care about is the dollars you put in versus the dollars you get out. The same cannot be said about single family, right? Some people, they want the beach house in Newport Beach, California. Some people want the penthouse in New York, right? Like they might cost the same, but they're radically different assets, and so obviously they have their different dynamics. But what I think is a great time right now is for, like you said, maybe some submarkets of single family for people to really think hard about their single family holdings and to sell if they're trading at a premium.
Couldn't agree more.
Because the only reason they're trading at a premium, it's not because the U.S. consumer is richer than ever and can afford to. It's not because rates are low, because it's actually the opposite. The only reason that prices are so high where they are in single family is because of the lack of inventory.